I will show you how I edit my mathematics videos that is posted on MathKub on YouTube, which by the time of recording this video I have about 1,800 subscribers on my math channel. So this is how I edit my math videos. Firstly, after recording the video using camera, open camera, I head over to CapCut, then select new project, then this is open camera folder. So I click on the video I want to edit. Then as you can see, this video is not the right rotation, so I will check for where I will rotate it. We have the split. If you tap on this split, it means you want to cut this video. You want to cut at this point that you see this arrow. Then this speed means you want to increase the speed or something, but the normal speed is 1x. Alright, so the next one is animation. If you want to add animation, if you want to delete, this is delete. This is for volume, to enhance voice, isolate voice, and so on. So yeah, this volume, always increase your volume to times 1000. This is the original 100, so to increase to 1 times your voice will be increased by 10%, or should I say times 2 of your voice. Like as I'm recording this video now, I'm going to put it in CapCut and also increase this volume, because I'm currently I'm not using any mic. If you are using mic, you don't need to increase it. Alright, so I want to rotate this video now because this is not the right position. It's going upside down, so I will tap on transform, then rotate. Another thing, you see this mirror, your front camera on a normal camera, all the phones, your front cameras, if you are taking selfie using front camera or you are making videos using front camera, you can tap on this mirror. When you tap on this mirror, it will change and be as if you were using your back camera. You know, front camera is like a mirror. If you have snapped picture and stand on a mirror before and snap picture, you know what I'm trying to say. Or if you wear clothes that is label, then you stand in a mirror and check yourself. You see that label, that thing that is written on your clothes will now turn upside down. To turn upside down. But if you, after recording the video using the front camera, you can put it on CapCut, tap on this mirror, it will change to normal. And this resize means if you want to, in case you want to use this thing, this is 9:16. If you want it to be short, or this is TikTok video, Instagram videos, Facebook videos, is this one 9:16 aspect ratio. This one is YouTube video, YouTube long form video 16:9. This one is 1:1, 1:1. That's a square shape, a square kind of video. This one can work with short videos and also YouTube videos. Then we have other aspects, but the one that is recommended for YouTube long form video is this one, 16:9. But if your video is short and you want to post it as YouTube shorts or Facebook shorts, Facebook reels, Instagram reels, you will use this particular one. But note, this is not for Instagram videos, it's only Instagram reels. If for Instagram videos you need 1:1 or 1:1, that is a square kind of shape. This is one square kind of shape. This is for Instagram videos. If you put it, you understand what I'm trying to say. Alright, so let's head back, let's play it and see.
If P is equal to this, find P inverse. In other words, you are asked to find the inverse of this matrix.
Alright, so now let's say I want to increase the speed of this song. I can increase it to 1.2%. Okay, now listen to it. If P is equal to this, find the inverse. In other words, you are asked to find the inverse of this matrix. So now let's say after this place, I can just I can split it and then on this matrix. So I can decide to code that other place. Why? Because I've said something here before. I've said this matrix and I repeat it also. So I need to code that place. This
this metric.
You see, I've repeated it. So if you know, people don't like a situation whereby you repeat the same statement over and over again. So they want to hear it only once. So any slight pause that you have, you need to delete it out. You need to delete it. And also you watch your step. When you come to this back, you see where you have this CapCut. You can tap on it and delete. And then when you are done, you check this place that I see 720p. You tap on it, you can increase to 1080, or as you increase this, okay, when it was 720p, this recommended, so you can also increase to this picture quality, but I always keep my own here. You can also frame rate, you can increase to 30 as you like. But if you want your video to be low quality, you can decrease it, reduce the resolution, or increase your resolution to this. If you're using iPhone or a strong phone, you can increase to 2K/4K. But I've not saved video on 2K before, because it may not play on my phone. So I always reduce it to 1080p. That means pixel, 1080 pixel. So now I'm done with this. You just tap on export this arrow, it will start saving. Let me go back. I did not set my thumbnail. You have this your cover. You check the place you want to save your thumbnail. Then you save it. Please export it. Alright. So thank you for watching, and do have a wonderful day.